Ask myself this question, trying to learn a lesson from other people's indiscretion. And it's my impression that we need a new direction. Instead of spiraling out of control, you should set yourself up with a couple of goals. Try to reach a new level or a higher plateau. 'Cause I know that your mind is worth much more than gold. Behold the wisdom from the underground. I hope you came to party 'cause tonight is going down. As I recycle the flow and bring it backwards. This is such madness, when I look, it's not rhyme with that, when I look.
Scratch my pen, I found out.
I came, I saw, I found out.
Good morning everyone, it is day 32 and it is 11 a.m. and I just finished section 7 and this is at this very same spot last year that I started the Trans-America Trail, starting with section 6 and going east. So that means that I completed the Trans-America Trail minus few sections and backtracking here and there, but it's pretty much done. The loop has been looped. So this is it, pretty happy. It's been pretty intense, especially the past 4 or 5 days, but it's part of the game. I thought I was going to finish yesterday evening, but I had 5 more miles to go. But again, the trail had some surprises for me. So this morning I backtracked and went to the finish line. So this is it. I'm going to town, probably to have some breakfast. I'm hungry. A breakfast celebration, right? Instead of whiskey. Although I could have a whiskey a little later, probably. And then I am going to drive back home, going east to North Carolina. So I have to decide which way I'm gonna go and just go. It's pretty much going to be on the road most of the time, trying maybe to sleep in some of a national forest and national park, but the next few days should be easy compared to what I have done on the trail here. So that's it for now. I will talk to you later. Time to go to town and eat. Cheers everyone. A laundromat next to a Mexican restaurant. This is genius. This is the exact same restaurant where I had lunch last year before I started the Trans-America Trail, and now I am back here after I finished the Trans-America Trail. It is 5:30 and I made it to a campground. I am in the Coconino National Forest north of Flagstaff. It's pretty cold. It's at 8,500 feet, so I'm gonna get dressed and call it a day. Good night.